Welcome to our old Earth coins, where we delve into the fascinating world of numismatics. Today, we're uncovering the hidden treasure of the 2009 Lincoln penny, a coin worth much more than its face value. Hello, coin enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if that spare change in your pocket could actually be worth a fortune? Well, today, we're focusing on a seemingly ordinary penny that holds extraordinary value. The 2009 Lincoln penny holds a special place in numismatic history. It was minted to commemorate the 200th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth and features four unique designs on its reverse side, each symbolizing a different stage of Lincoln's life. But what makes this penny truly special are the low mintages of certain varieties, making them exceptionally rare and valuable. Among these varieties are the 2009 Lincoln Formative Years penny, the Professional Life penny, the Presidency penny, and the Birthplace penny. Each of these coins has its own distinct features and rarity factors, contributing to its overall value. For example, the 2009 Lincoln Formative Years penny, with its depiction of a young Lincoln reading a book while sitting on a log, is highly sought after by collectors due to its low mintage and historical significance. And believe it or not, these pennies can fetch prices ranging from hundreds to even thousands of dollars, depending on their condition and rarity. This coin's value in market $1 million. So, the next time you come across a 2009 Lincoln penny in your pocket change, take a closer look. You just might be holding a hidden treasure worth a lot more than 1 cent. Thanks for joining us today, and happy hunting for rare coins.